Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gina, and this week I'm gonna make French toast. I feel like French toast is such a classic weekend breakfast item, and it's really so easy to make that I wanted to share with you a quick, easy, and delicious recipe that you can make literally any day of the week. I did take this recipe up a notch and made a homemade croissant bread, which if you are interested in how I did that, I will be posting a video next week on my channel. So be sure to be subscribed to my channel as well as have that bell notification on so that you don't miss any of my videos, especially that one. This bread was so good and it was very easy to make. It is a croissant bread, but it's way easier than making actual croissants. It's much more simplified. But there's nothing wrong with just going to the grocery store, going to a local bakery, and buying a bread from there. I would recommend a thicker type of bread, so like a brioche or a challah bread, as well as like Texas toast. You want something that's really going to absorb that egg mixture. And also, if you can leave your bread out and get it stale, that's another great thing that will help the egg just absorb right into the bread. If you like French toast, smash that thumbs up below. And if you'd like more weekly cooking inspiration, please subscribe to my channel. And as I said, click that bell notification so you know every time I upload a video. Without further ado, let's make some French toast. Everything that you're going to need for your French toast. We have our bread that we made, some half and half syrup, unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, cinnamon, and some vanilla extract. To start off this recipe, we're going to need a shallow baking dish. In this case, I'm just using a pie plate, so I can mix up my 2 eggs and 1 cup of half and half. You can also use milk or almond milk, whatever you have on hand. A pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, or you can also use sugar or honey as well. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk all these ingredients together. And you can use an actual metal whisk, but I feel like when you're making French toast, you need to be using a fork to whisk it. It's like a rite of passage or something. So we're just gonna mix all these ingredients together. Warm up our skillet by putting it on to medium heat. And then I just have about like a pat of butter that I'm gonna put right in here. It's a little soft because mom life. So we're just going to melt this up, and this is just going to make sure that your French toast is not going to stick to your pan. So all we want to do is just take a piece of bread. I'm just going to take this one, and you're just going to put it in one side and then flip it over to coat it on the other side. Give it a little shake to get any of the excess off. And then we're going to put it right into our pan. Do that with another piece. 1 and 2. Give it a little shake. And there you go. So now we're going to cook this on this side for probably about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we flip it over and cook it on the other side. This has been cooking for a couple of minutes. So I'm going to take a plate and just flip them right on to the plate. And here you have the first batch. So I have enough butter, so I'm just gonna add some more bread to our pan. There's that good sizzle. Add a little bit more butter to our pan. Looking a little dry. And keep on going. Okay. Last piece, and then our French toast is complete. As you can see from this footage, this French toast came out so delicious. Ugh, it was so good. I really think making the croissant bread fresh really did up the game, but even if you weren't to make your own bread, still definitely try this recipe. I will be posting next week, like I said, the recipe of how I made the bread. Very easy. I will say it does take a good amount of time, but a lot of it is downtime, like you're waiting for the bread to rise, you're waiting for it to chill, those types of things. But it's not really hard by any means. So I would, if you have any inclination to make it, say go for it. If you liked this video, please smash that thumbs up below, and please subscribe to my channel for more weekly cooking motivation. Like I said, next week will be the bread recipe. So thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye everyone!